Today we're going to talk about our air handling unit Mr. Flex with the integrated reversible heat pump Thermocooler HP. We will also demonstrate how to transport a large air handling unit through a typical door into a plant room with the help of easy access. Hello and welcome. My name is Bernd Hake and I work at IV Produkt. I'm standing outside Kvarter Formannen in Stockholm, Sweden. It's an historical building dating from the 17th century. At that time the building functioned as a brewery, and today we can find among others the National Office of the Swedish Society for Nature Conservation. The Swedish Society for Nature Conservation is Sweden's largest environmental organization, and they also have Sweden's most sustainable office. Since their strong focus on sustainability demands social, environmental and economic requirements for a good indoor climate, they contacted the consultant Exengo in Stockholm. Let's meet the two consultants, Thomas Adermark and Victor Andersson, and hear what they have to say about the project.
One of the challenges was that the plant room for this air handling unit was located in the middle of the building on the third floor, making it difficult to access.
In addition, we were looking for a complete heating and cooling solution to create a comfortable and sustainable indoor climate all year round.
Here we are outside the office for the Swedish Society for Nature Conservation. Since this is Sweden's most sustainable office, they have a major focus on recycling when it comes to interior design and materials. We will now show you the path we took to get the unit into the plant room. This here is the door to the plant room, and you saw the narrow spaces on the way here. This wall here is about 60 centimeters thick and therefore far too deep to open or tear down. One solution would have been to build the entire unit on site in the room, possibly tear down walls or open up ceilings, which is very costly and time consuming. A better solution is an air handling unit from IV Produkt that is delivered with easy access. Here you can see an example. And behind me you can see the Mr. Flex unit, which supplies the office with approximately 2.4 cubic meters per second of fresh air. The rotary heat exchanger in the unit is also split and can easily be assembled on site. The dividing line in the rotary heat exchanger shows where the split is made. The unit you can see here is equipped with the Thermocooler HP, which is a reversible heat pump. This means it works as a heat pump in the winter and a cooling machine in the summer. Most of our integrated cooling machines and reversible heat pumps can be delivered in the easy access configuration. The combination of rotary heat exchanger working with the Thermocooler HP means we can achieve a heat recovery rate of about 90%, which results in a very energy efficient ventilation solution. At 22 degrees in the extract air and minus 20 degrees outdoors, we can constantly maintain 20 degrees in the supply air. The main heating of these premises takes place via radiators, which in this building are connected to district heating. Thanks to the highly efficient thermal wheel and the design of the heat pump, which means that it does not need a defrost cycle, there is no need for any extra heater battery, which is usually located in the supply air side. As we previously mentioned, the heat pump is reversible, which means that it can also cool the supply air in the summer. For example, if it's 28 degrees outside with 50% humidity, we can cool the supply air down to 16 degrees. In this unit, both additional heating and cooling are combined instead of separate installations. There's no need for costly piping, shunt groups or a heater battery. Compared to a traditional solution, it can save up to 33% of installation costs and up to 20% of operating costs. Another advantage of having a complete solution in a single unit is that you don't need to have a chiller or a condenser on the roof or anywhere on the building exterior, which can look quite unattractive on such a historic building. Once all the modules from the unit are in place and assembled, the prepared electrical quick connectors are used to easily connect the modules.
Thanks to easy access, several obstacles in the project were overcome, and the unit was easily moved through narrow passages into the plant room.
With the Thermocooler HP, we delivered a complete and cost-effective solution where the reversible heat pump cools the supply air in the summer and heats it in the winter. An extra heating battery and associated piping were not necessary. The combination of easy access and Thermocooler HP resulted in low installation and operating costs.
Since its launch in 2017, the successful Thermocooler HP has been delivered with thousands of air handling units across Europe. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, you will find your nearest salesperson on our website. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to make sure you're not missing out on any new videos about energy efficient air handling. I hope to see you again next time. Bye!